Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to fix this error in Visual Studio Code whenever you try to run a C or C++ program in your Visual Studio environment. You can see this error here. It says that G++ is not recognized as an internal or external command. This error occurs because in your Visual Studio Code environment, you don't have a built-in compiler to compile the codes in C or C++ language. That's why we get this error and we cannot run C or C++ codes in Visual Studio Code. To fix this, we just have to download a compatible compiler called mingW and then your problem is all fixed. First of all, in your browser, you just type mingW, then you will be redirected to this interface and you need to go to this first link from the sourceforge.net. When you click this, you can see this download button and you just have to wait for the download to complete. Installation of this compiler is very easy. You just have to click next and install. Only in this step, just remind to select all these checkboxes and then proceed your installation. So after the installation, you go to your installed mingW folder and then bin. Then copy this address to your clipboard. Then go to the start menu and search for environment. Here you can see the control panel and I go to environment variables. Now you can see there is a path and just click on edit and add new path to this. You just paste here what you have copied and click OK, OK and OK. And that's all for installation. Right. So after the installation, you just have to download a small extension. Go to the extension section in Visual Studio Code and search for Code Runner. You need to download this extension called Code Runner, and so in your interface you will see a run button after you install this extension. And we just have to change a small setting. Go to the settings tab and scroll down until you see this run code configuration. There you can see this run in terminal and just put a tick in this run in terminal section. This is because we need to run our output in a terminal and not in the output section. Now I have a C++ code, and after the installation of mingW compiler and the two settings I just told you, I will show you how this works and our code run perfectly in this terminal tab. Just I will run this and show you. You can see our code works properly and gives us the correct output. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to click the subscribe button.